Alright guys, so that just happened and currently I'm living in Amsterdam, which is Netherlands.
These my dance make it hurt.
Alright guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Bharat and I was a software engineer with Amazon for about 3.5 to 4 years. I was previously an intern as well there, and recently I made this huge change or decided to move to the city of Amsterdam. There's a multiple reasons for that, and one of the important reasons why I'm here right now is because I'm going to be pursuing my master's in artificial intelligence. Yeah, a lot of you guys might have had this question, and you guys did ask me this in Instagram as well, and I wanted to give you guys a good video about this, and at the same time not take too much of your time as well. The first reason was, like I said, I was going to be moving here to do my masters, and the second reason also is to work for a company kind of in the research and development field, which I am going to be starting in about 15 to 20 days time. So the work has been really tight right the entire month, and that's the main reason why I have not been able to put a video out at all. And I'm just trying to concentrate on both things at the same time. And as you all might know, all changes are different, right? So my change from living in India to a city where I'm living alone and all this stuff is actually was very difficult for me to adjust. And I did leave Amazon about 1.5 months ago, and I've been like living here for more than 2 months now. So the initial thought was that I wanted to do a master's. I really wanted to explore this field of artificial intelligence, get into the research and development field, because that's where all the fun is, right? I've loved building software, I've loved doing everything, but I've always had this curiosity of what is really happening behind the doors. Like, how exactly are people trying to build all these amazing algorithms? And one of the important thing that I've always been fascinated about is computer vision. How exactly is Tesla able to do the things, and what exactly are the underlying algorithms, or what are underlying techniques that are being used. All of this have been curious. I have always been curious about all this, and the 1 year time that I had during the lockdown, where I sat down and tried to dig deeper and deeper, gave me so much curiosity that if I did not pursue that, if I did not go after the curiosity, then I would probably not have anything to go after. So that's the only reason why I decided to move. And Amazon as a company itself has been a great company, and I was also in a great team, and there is no doubt about that. But I had to feed my curiosity. I had to see what exactly is happening, and so I chose to move here and do my masters in computer vision, masters in artificial intelligence, with probably a specialization in computer vision. And the primary reason why I chose Amsterdam again is because of this college called University of Amsterdam, which is one of the most top ranked universities in Europe. And probably another reason is because of its high research when it comes to computer vision. So that was the main reason why I chose to do it here. And there are a lot of people who asked me, why did I go to US or things like that. I was never interested in doing that. I really wanted to pursue things that I was really passionate about, and this place here gives you all the opportunity to do that. There is no really an hardcore program that you need to follow, anything of that sort. And at the same time, there's another second person who knocked on my door and told me that since you're going to be studying here, we also would love to give you a research position in our company. And I told myself, so I'm going to be studying, and I'm also going to be researching for a huge name. So currently I'm pursuing my master's. I'll be 2 months already out. I had my exams recently. All these changes are actually giving me some great feels, but at the same time I also would like to concentrate on the YouTube channel as well. I have put so much effort into building this thing, and we just recently reached 8,000 subscribers. So thanks to everybody who's been out there, and I just really wanted to make this video to give you guys a huge thank you for staying with me for this last month and a half, even though I was not at my best producing content. So from the days from now on, I'm going to be focusing more on giving you guys good content. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about Kiwi, Flutter, where are you, what are the videos, why you're not doing any videos. I'm still going to be concentrating on few of them, but I'm also going to be pivoting towards more about data science, talk more about that, give you guys the same curiosity that I had probably for the last 3 years. So you'll see a lot of changes in this channel, but preferably to things that you guys are interested in. If you guys are interested in asking me to do, like, maybe do a day in the life sort of video, or take us through your current country or current city, I would love to do that as well. But like I said, this whole channel is going to be about coding and programming. I'm going to be concentrating on that by staying probably in Amsterdam. So that's what I'm going to be concentrating on. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. Sorry again for not being out there for last month and a half. I do know that. Thanks again to everybody for being subscribed. Keep supporting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's Bharat. Peace out. Have a super awesome day.